며칠에 점심을 먹어요? What does this question mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 먹어요. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 먹어요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 267. 먹어요. 먹어요. This is composed of three syllables. The first syllable is 먹, second syllable is 어, and third syllable is 요. Pronounce it with me. 먹어요. 먹어요. The word 먹어요 means eat. This is a present tense verb. It actually came from the root word 먹다. And 먹다 is transformed into its present tense form and it became 먹어요. How do you write 먹어요 in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. The first syllable is 먹, and this is composed of a mium character followed by the 어 character followed by the gy character. For the second syllable 어, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder ing followed by the 어 character. And then for the last syllable yo, we need to draw first another no sound or placeholder ing followed by the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word 먹어요. Now let's try to look at this example English question itself. What time do you eat lunch? Again, what time do you eat lunch? The Korean translation of this is 몇 시에 점심을 먹어요? Again, 몇 시에 점심을 먹어요? This sentence could be subdivided into three. The first part is 몇 시에. 몇 시에 is used to ask what time. Actually, 몇 means what and 시 is actually hour. So the literal combination of 몇 시 is what hour. But in English, it's more natural to ask what time is it, not what hour is it. So again, remember, 몇 시에 is used to ask what time is it. But looking back to our sentence, or to our example sentence, it's more than just asking what time is it. So the next part is 점심을. The term 점심 means lunch in Korean, and 을 is a suffix we added to 점심 to say that this is the object of the sentence. So again, 점심을 is just lunch. And the last part of the sentence is 먹어요, which means eat, as in the present tense form of eat. I've mentioned earlier that this came from the root verb 먹다. So, from the term 먹다, we removed the da part and replaced it with 어요. So it becomes 먹어요, which is its present tense form. So 먹어요 is just a verb that expresses the present action of eating. So when we combine these three, and when we say 몇 시에 점심을 먹어요, it's the same as asking that person what time does he or she eat lunch. So you're asking about the time where he or she usually eats his or her lunch. So as of now, we already know the meaning of this sentence was just flashed at the beginning of our video. 몇 시에 점심을 먹어요 simply means what time do you eat lunch? And with that, you've just learned 먹어요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 257 to 266. But don't forget our word for today, word number 267, 먹어요, which means eat. The first word for our review is word number 266, 가요, which means go. Word number 265 is Dongsaeng, which means younger sister. Word number 264 is Dongsaeng, which means younger brother. Word number 263 is 맛없어요, which means not tasty or not delicious. Word number 262 is 맛있습니다, which means delicious in a formal manner. Word number 261 is 먹었어요, which means ate. Word number 260 is 갔어요, which means went. Word number 259 is 날씨, which means weather. Word number 258 is 천만에요, which means good in a surprise manner. And then the last word for our review, word number 257, 왜입니까, which is used to ask why in a formal manner. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.